Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, the Temples of India, chapter number 23. Now in this chapter we will name the temples with the help of the help desk. We will read the given information and then write the answers. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first begins with, it was built between 11th to 13th century CE and this temple is devoted to Adinath and is located at Mount Abu, Rajasthan, and the name of the temple is Dilwara Temple. The second one that we have is, this temple is located in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh and is famous for its natural beauty. In the temple, an eternal burning and shining blue flame emanating from a rock sanctum is worshipped as the manifestation of goddess Sati. और इसको हम कहते हैं ज्वालामुखी टेम्पल और ज्वाला देवी टेम्पल also. The next we have is located at the Bodh Gaya, and it is a square sanctum and carries a lofty 55-meter pyramidical design and a dome. The temple marks the site of the holy tree under which Gautam Buddha got enlightenment, and the name of the temple is Mahabodhi Temple. Next we have is the stupendous stout Indian temple in the Dravidian style, and it is situated on an island near Adams Bridge, and the shrine extends for more than 1000 meters in length, and the name of this temple is Rameswaram Temple. The next we have on the western coast of Gujarat, which is, this temple is one of the 12 Jyotirling shrines of God Shiva, and the temple is also known as the Eternal Shrine or the Shrine Eternal, and the name of this temple is Somnath Temple. So these are the various temples. First one, Dilwara Temple. The second is Jwalamukhi Temple. Third is Mahabodhi Temple. Fourth, Rameswaram Temple, and the fifth, the Somnath Temple. So this is all about the various temples. Let's now read the quick fact. The quick fact says that the fascinating temple of Khajuraho derives its name from the Khajur tree, the date palm tree, which can be found in abundance in the area. So this is the quick fact about the Khajuraho temples. The name is derived from the Khajur tree. Your answer please now children. This question says that which temple in Puri is dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his incarnation of Jagannatha, and write the answer here in the book itself. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.